I'm about to go do a beehive inspection, and I'm trying to figure out how to do the lives on Patreon. So if you're interested in being at the hive inspection, it's about to be live on there on Patreon, which is linked on my channel page. I don't know yet if it will save the video for after. We'll see, but YouTube has banned me from live streaming, so I can't do that here. But yes, heads up for live stream for beehive inspection and probably some other beekeeping tips while I'm doing that. But yes, have fun. Heads up. Have a good day.